Some SUVs look reliable until the repairs start piling up. But these 10, they're different. Built to last, trusted by real owners, and proven across thousands of miles. Miss one, and it might cost years of regret. Number 9 is so underrated, most buyers never see it coming. And number 1? It's still outlasting SUVs that cost twice as much. Number 10, the 2025 Honda CR-V hides brutal efficiency behind normal looks. 76.5 cubic feet of cargo space destroys luxury competitors while maintaining compact dimensions. The 2.0-liter hybrid system isn't just efficient, it's smarter. Electric motors handle acceleration, the gas engine maintains speed, and the transition feels invisible. No fake shifts, no hesitation, just 204 horsepower that always feels available. Real-world testing proves 38 to 40 miles per gallon, even with passengers and cargo. The liquid-cooled battery avoids thermal throttling in extreme heat, a weakness of budget hybrids. Suspension components show minimal wear at 80,000 miles according to fleet data. Regenerative braking cuts pad replacement frequency in half compared to non-hybrid models. Safety isn't optional equipment. Every CR-V includes collision avoidance that outperforms European luxury SUVs in independent testing. The reinforced structure earned top safety pick plus with perfect scores in small overlap crashes. Rear seat space measures 41 inches, more than 3-row SUVs costing twice as much. This is the rare hybrid that doesn't compromise. More cargo than larger vehicles, better mileage than smaller ones, and reliability backed by hundreds of thousands of existing Honda hybrids on the road. No experimental tech, no gimmicks, just every advantage refined over generations into a single package. The CR-V doesn't try to impress, it just outworks everything else. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid delivers 219 horsepower from its 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid system, 15 more than the Honda CR-V, while maintaining 40 miles per gallon combined. The nickel-metal hydride battery pack prioritizes longevity over energy density, with documented cases exceeding 200,000 miles without replacement. Unlike competitors using eCVT systems, Toyota's planetary gear set provides direct mechanical connection at highway speeds, eliminating electric motor whine during sustained cruising. The rear suspension retains a double wishbone design in hybrid models, a rarity in the class that maintains alignment better than torsion beam alternatives over rough roads. Standard AWD includes a physical drive shaft rather than electric rear motors alone, providing consistent torque distribution without waiting for wheel slip detection. The 2025 update adds brake preconditioning that reduces stopping distances by 8% in cold weather according to NHTSA testing. Cargo capacity reaches 69.8 cubic feet, less than the CR-V, but with a lower load floor for easier heavy item loading. Rear seat space measures 37.8 inches, though the seatbacks recline for better passenger comfort. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 system now detects motorcycles and nighttime pedestrians at greater distances than previous iterations. The powertrain warranty extends to 10 years, 150,000 miles on hybrid components, reflecting Toyota's confidence in the system's durability. Real-world owners report consistent 38 to 42 miles per gallon in mixed driving with minimal degradation in extreme temperatures. The RAV4 Hybrid remains the benchmark for no-compromise electrification in its class. The 2025 Nissan Rogue packs a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with variable compression technology, 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque, outperform most 4-cylinder competitors while achieving 37 miles per gallon highway. The CVT transmission now includes physical launch gears to eliminate rubber band acceleration. Standard Nissan Pro Pilot Assist adds lane centering that works below 25 miles per hour, a feature still missing from many luxury SUVs. The all-wheel drive system can send 50% of power rearward before slippage occurs, with torque vectoring mimicking Rogue Sport models. Ground clearance measures 8.2 inches, higher than the Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V. Second-row legroom reaches 38.5 inches despite the Rogue's shorter wheelbase. Cargo space maxes out at 74.1 cubic feet, with a flat load floor. The updated chassis uses more high-strength steel than previous generations, reducing cabin noise by 12% in third-party testing. Over-the-air updates now cover 95% of the vehicle's software, including transmission tuning adjustments. The 2025 model adds a snow drive mode that preconditions the AWD system when temperatures drop below freezing. Warranty coverage extends to 5 years, 60,000 miles bumper to bumper with complimentary maintenance for the first 2 years. This Rogue focuses on mechanical refinement over hybrid hype, offering one of the few turbocharged options left in the segment. Real-world testing shows consistent 30 to 32 miles per gallon in city driving with 87-octane fuel, no premium required. The combination of torque, efficiency, and standard AWD tech makes it a contender. Number 7. The 2025 Kia Sportage Hybrid pairs a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with a 44-kilowatt electric motor, producing 227 combined horsepower. Unlike competitors using CVTs, this hybrid keeps a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission for more predictable acceleration. The lithium-ion polymer battery mounts under the rear seats, preserving cargo space. Real-world testing shows 38 miles per gallon combined in mixed driving, with highway efficiency reaching 41 miles per gallon at steady speeds. The H-Track all-wheel drive system can send up to 50% torque rearward and includes a dedicated snow mode that preemptively engages AWD below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Ground clearance measures 8.3 inches, higher than both the RAV4 Hybrid and CR-V. Cargo capacity reaches 74.1 cubic feet with rear seats folded, featuring a dual-level load floor for concealed storage. Second-row legroom stretches to 41.3 inches, more than some full-size SUVs. The 2025 update adds predictive shift logic that analyzes navigation data to optimize hybrid power distribution on hills. Standard features include highway driving assist with lane-changing automation and rear occupant alert. The hybrid system carries a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, matching Toyota's coverage. Crash tests show a 14% improvement in small overlap protection over the previous generation, earning Top Safety Pick Plus status. This Sportage prioritizes driving dynamics over maximum fuel economy, with quicker throttle response than most hybrids in its class. The brake regeneration system offers 4 adjustable levels, including a one-pedal driving mode for city traffic. Number 6. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid pairs a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with a 44-kilowatt electric motor, delivering 226 combined horsepower through a 6-speed automatic transmission. No CVT wear concerns. The lithium-ion battery undergoes 1,200-plus charge cycle tests with less than 15% degradation, matching Toyota's durability standards. Hyundai's HTRA-CAWD system now includes a preemptive torque transfer mode that engages before wheel slip occurs, reducing driveline stress. Real-world fleet data shows brake pads lasting 70,000-plus miles thanks to aggressive regeneration, capturing 90% of stopping energy. The 10-year, 100,000-mile hybrid component warranty covers all high-voltage parts, including the electric motor and power control unit. Crash tests reveal a 22% stronger passenger cell structure versus non-hybrid models due to reinforced battery protection. Thermal management uses a dedicated cooling loop for both battery and motor, preventing performance throttling in extreme temperatures, a weakness in some competitors. Standard remote diagnostics automatically alert dealers to potential issues before they cause failures. Oil change intervals stretch to 10,000 miles using Hyundai's low-friction 0W16 synthetic blend. The transmission features a maintenance-free wet clutch system rated for 150,000 plus miles in independent testing.
Number 5. The 2025 Highlander Hybrid's 2.5L dynamic force engine achieves 36 mpg combined while avoiding turbocharger complexity, a key factor in its 90% 10-year reliability rating from Consumer Reports. The hybrid system's power control unit now features double cooling channels that reduce electronic failure rates by 40% compared to previous generations. Nickel metal hydride batteries maintain consistent performance across -30 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit ambient temperatures, with fleet data showing less than 12% capacity loss at 150,000 miles. The rear electric motor's simplified single-gear design eliminates 83% of moving parts found in mechanical AWD systems. Transmission fluid changes stretch to 100,000-mile intervals using Toyota's WS fluid formula. The brake actuator underwent 1 million cycle endurance testing, triple the industry standard to prevent hybrid system shudder issues. Number 4. 2025 Subaru Outback. Subaru's 2.4L turbo boxer engine now incorporates plasma-sprayed cylinder walls that reduce oil consumption by 60% compared to previous FB25 engines. The continuously variable transmission steel belt undergoes 300,000 miles simulated wear testing with less than 0.1 mm stretch tolerance. Subaru's symmetrical AWD uses a new carbon fiber reinforced center differential clutch that withstands 50% more heat before degradation begins. The 2025 model adds galvanized steel reinforcement to suspension pickup points, addressing past rust complaints in snow belt states. Eyesight cameras now feature hydrophobic coatings that maintain calibration through heavy precipitation without requiring recalibration. Subaru's zero-maintenance timing chain lasts the engine's lifespan without tensioner replacements, a documented improvement over previous interference designs. Number 3. 2025 Lexus RX 350. The RX 350's 2.4L turbo engine implements dual fuel injection, both port and direct, to prevent carbon buildup. A solution derived from Lexus 5 million-mile endurance testing. The 8-speed automatic transmission's torque converter includes a centrifugal pendulum absorber that reduces vibration wear by 75%. Adaptive variable suspension components now use laser-clad bushings that outperform traditional rubber by 8x in durability testing. The multi-link rear suspension's aluminum knuckles reduce unsprung weight, while being 30% more corrosion-resistant than steel alternatives. Lexus paint process includes 7 layers of undercoating that repairs minor scratches at 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The hybrid version's power control unit relocated to the engine bay for better cooling, eliminating the inverter overheating issues some competitors face. Number 2. 2025 Mazda CX-5, Number 2. The 2.5L Skyactiv G engine now features cylinder deactivation tuned specifically for highway cruising, reducing wear on unused cylinders by 40% compared to competitor systems. Mazda's 6-speed automatic transmission retains a traditional torque converter design, avoiding the reliability concerns of CVTs while maintaining 28 mpg highway. The chassis uses 30% more ultra-high-strength steel than previous models, with particular reinforcement around suspension mounting points to prevent alignment drift. Skyactiv vehicle dynamics with G-vectoring control reduces brake pad wear by subtly using engine torque for weight transfer instead of constant braking. All-weather floor pan coatings now extend into wheel wells, addressing a common rust point in older Mazdas. The electric power steering system underwent 500,000 cycle endurance testing with 0 failure points. Factory fill 0 to 20 synthetic oil enables 10,000-mile change intervals without sludge accumulation. Number 1. 2025 Lexus GX 550. The all-new 3.4L twin-turbo V6 replaces the previous 4.6L V8, while maintaining the same 10,000-mile oil change intervals and 87-octane compatibility. The 10-speed automatic transmission incorporates a heat-absorbing torque converter that reduces fluid degradation by 60% in extreme conditions. Full-time 4WD with a locking center differential uses a new electronically controlled transfer case that eliminates the need for fluid changes under normal use. The latter frame now features box section reinforcements at all stress points, with corrosion testing showing zero perforation after 15 years of simulated winter exposure. Adaptive variable suspension components are sealed against dust ingress, a common failure point in off-road competitors. The 3,500 pounds towing capacity comes with integrated transmission and power steering coolers as standard equipment. Lexus' updated rust-proofing process applies 27% more underbody coating at suspension hardpoints compared to the outgoing model.